walrus across there.
Oh God, not really. That's way too sketchy. We should just go up here and go across. Yeah. The worst of it's right where we're at here, but I don't know. Well,
that's what I'm saying. If we could get down across here.
I just don't know if that's gonna work because we gotta like jump across there, and there's really nowhere. Oh man. Keep this thing going here. All right, it's a little more doable here. The micro spikes are definitely helping a lot. There's still a lot of water everywhere here, so. Man, this is getting rough here. I thought this was going to be better. Which way did you go? Down there? I can't hear you. Sorry. I'm just gonna go for it. Oh man. Oh man, this is rough. That's all ice. Oh, it's just island hopping right now. Oh man.
I cheated. My boots are like.
Oh. All right. I did get a little splash down in here, but it doesn't feel cold or anything.
Yeah,
or
we'll dry them out.
Doesn't feel, yeah. I think we'll be good. All right. Well. Yeah. We survived it, man.
Should have had.
Oh, that was rough. There was nowhere to cross. The trail was actually way up over there. Not that far, but I mean, we had to come quite a ways just out of the way, yeah. So now we gotta find our way back to the trail.